The fecal flotation procedure is used routinely to look for various eggs, cysts, and amoeba, which are indicative of parasitic infections of humans and animals. First, obtain a small scoop of feces with a wooden tongue depressor and mix with about 8 milliliters of your flotation solution in a small container to make a homogeneous suspension. Then, strain the dispersed fecal matter through a cheesecloth and funnel into a 10 milliliter conical tube. Once the solution has been completely strained, remove the cheesecloth and funnel and fill the tube up to the top with the fecal solution using a transfer pipette. Make sure the solution has a convex surface. Next, put a cover slip on top of the tube filled with solution. The cover slip has to contact the solution surface completely. During this step, the solution may spill a bit. Let the cover slip sit for 10 to 20 minutes. During this time, the eggs will rise to the top and stick to the glass. After letting the cover slip sit, lift up the cover slip vertically, place it onto a glass slide, and view the slide under a microscope. Look for parasite eggs, cysts, and other life forms with a 10x magnification by scanning your slide. Here are some examples of commonly observed parasite eggs.